What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty should be that squishing the yoke. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a go. Shorty she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, this is my first time working with Zlike hair, and I was sent this 613 26-inch bust down. I received a 26-inch 6x6 613 180 density wig. I feel like I just said a lot, but y'all, it's been a while since I received 613 hair, and Zlike hair, I ain't gonna hold you, this is 26 inches, but y'all, this is some real thick hair. Like, this hair is real full. Like, it's not giving thin. You know, they say the longer the thinner. Not with Zlike hair. And this is a new company that's out right now, and so far it's so good. I love this hair because you guys know with 613 hair, y'all, it's hard to find good 613 hair. And I barely had any type of shedding with this hair. I barely had to pluck this hair. All I did, I literally installed this wig straight out the packaging. Y'all saw me unbox it on camera, and it went straight on my head. All I did was add a little makeup to my lace underneath, but other than that, y'all, so far so good with this hair. No tangling, no shedding, no nothing, y'all. Zlike hair, like I said, is a new company, and so far so good. I would highly recommend a 613 hair. Like I said, 613 hair is really hard to find, but so far so good, and I'm loving it, honey. I'm loving it. I don't want to take this hair out. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You guys are gonna see me, you know, do my little bust down and all that good stuff. If you guys are interested in the same exact wig, the link is gonna be down below. And if you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. We almost there. Just need like 100 and something more. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.